Rachel, we were talking about what raw food really is, and I know that you don't cook it over 118 degrees because you don't want the food to be dead. Can you elaborate a little bit?
Yeah, sure. Well, the only things that we really would consider like a cooked item or like applying heat is things that we dehydrate. We make certain crackers and flatbreads in a dehydrator, and we keep our dehydrator at 115 degrees.
Okay.
And we only really use that for like crackers and a couple of things that we want to like change the texture of more, because it's not really cooking it, it's just kind of drying it out.
Okay.
And so that means...
What is raw foods for people that don't know?
Well, raw foods are foods that are not cooked over 118 degrees. Basically, the idea is that all the enzymes that are in the food are preserved up to that temperature, and after that, the nutrients and enzymes start dying off, and the food loses its vitality and its nutritional value.
Okay. And you don't use flour, so it would be no pasta,
oh, that's right.
no bread,
that's right.
no eggs, no butter.
That's correct. Any grains that we use, well, we only use one grain here.
What's that?
We use buckwheat, and that's because it's
Sprouted,
not.
or?
We sprout all of our grains,
Okay.
and then we put them in the food processor with other ingredients, and we kind of like make a dough out of that, and then we spread it flat on a dehydrator sheet, and we dry it out, and that's how we make our breads.
Oh. And the idea behind this is when you cook foods, you make it dead, and you deaden all the nutrients and the enzymes. Raw food is just filled with so much enzymes. When you eat it, you automatically, it's like almost instantly, you feel really good and awake and alive. That's why people do it. And you told me you lost 30 pounds.
I did lose 30 pounds.
Wow.
And I have a very close friend that lost 70 pounds doing it, and she's still going.
Wow.
So yeah. And it's so easy because you can eat whatever you want in as many quantities as you want as long as it's raw, And
That's
I mean,
great.
we eat like whatever we get a craving for, whether it's nuts or dates or fruit
So you're
or
always
salads.
eating.
Well, in the beginning I was. It's kind of tapered off,
Okay. So what's this next thing you're going to make? It looks like you have a lot of Thai stuff
Yes,
here.
these are a lot of Thai spices and ingredients. This is our dish that we serve at the restaurant. It's called our red Thai curry.
Great.
It's kind of involved. It's a little bit more complicated than the caprese salad that I showed you before.
Let's get started.